Recording specific or unique types of putouts. Sometimes there are plays that occur that are beyond the basic ground ball to a fielder who throws the batter out at first base. These can include things like double plays, sacrifice flies, or unassisted putouts. The intermediate way of recording a double play can be as follows. In this example, the first player will hit a single, and the second player will hit a ground ball to the third baseman, who will throw to second to force the runner out, and from there the second baseman will throw to first to get the batter out. So this is how we would score that. The first player gets a single. To center field. Then the second player will hit a ground ball to the third baseman, who throws to second to get the first runner out. So we'd score the first out here. And then they'd throw to first to get the batter out, which would be the second out here. And how you would show this would be ground ball to the third baseman, but also a DP for a double play. A sacrifice fly is another special out, and it is defined as a fly ball that is caught for an out, but the runner on base is able to tag up and score a run after the catch is made. We'll record this by using an S and an F. So for this example, our first batter will hit a triple to deep right center field. And wind up at third base. And then the second batter will hit a fly ball to deep left field, but the runner on third will tag up and score. So we'll get him home and mark our small run scored diamond. And then down here, we'll mark this as an F7, and that's also our first out. The final unique type of out we'll discuss is an unassisted putout. An unassisted putout is when a player fields a ball and makes an out on his own by touching a base and forcing a runner out, or by tagging a base runner. We will score this with the number of the defensive player that made the play followed by a U. So in this example, a batter hits a ground ball to the first baseman, who fields the ball and touches first base to get the batter out. We would score that as 3 for the first baseman who fielded it, and U for unassisted, and that would be the first out of the inning. As an alternative, you could also score this with the U first, then followed by the fielder number. Either way is acceptable. It's whatever is convenient for you. This ends the intermediate scoring section of the tutorial.